favorite combination lately. Honestly, I can't remember the last time I took myself out, like, alone. Because the only time I ever go out alone is when I go to class. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to do... Also, I don't know why it's so crowded here. It's never this crowded. Anyway, remind me to never go on a Saturday. I'm gonna get some Molly tea. I've been wanting to try it. Let's go. Tell me why there's so many gorgeous people out today. My little review, it's more milky than tea, but I do like the floral. I guess it is nice, like, if you just want like more of the milkiness, and got a little groceries. I just cooked some lunch for everyone. I really enjoyed that. Even though it was really crowded, I had a lot of fun. For me, taking care of myself means that I get all my needs met. And right now, one of those needs is this room. I need to give myself a nice space to thrive in. If we don't start now, we're never gonna make it one step closer. So let's start, right? Yeah. I want to give a little side note. Oh, by the way, I don't think I said this is the premium jasmine milk tea. I do feel like if the tea was stronger, just a little bit stronger, I think I would probably like it better. Anyway, this is our next stop. Oh. I was walking outside and guess what I found on our stoop? Snack jar! It's that time where we have to throw away the notes. Sometimes I feel bad. I found all this paper. Spider web. Dang! Unfortunately, I have to change this like all the time. It's not very practical. What are you doing? Surface. What? You want to smell? See? Super cute. Is this a 4-1 too? Whoa, there's two. There's one right here. So cute. It's like a butterfly. Hello. I took a shower. I thought I should show you my nighttime skincare routine. Also for my future reference too. I put this on earlier. I am done. This is an empty. At this point, I feel like I've gotten my skincare routine down. I think a couple years ago it started. Well, first of all, let me say that as we age, our hormones change as well. I really saw that. I really saw the changes. I feel like I struggle. I can't speak correctly because I'm sleepy. Why do I have this? There's literally nothing in there. I focused on barrier, not over exfoliating. That took honestly a couple years. But it was only because I was experimenting and I didn't go to a professional. So if you have an opportunity to, I'd recommend that. Tretinoin. This was 0.05, but I switched between 0.025 and 0.05. Oh, there's still a little left. Just dot it. feel like Tret really helped my skin a lot with any acne concerns. But this is a prescription. It's actually kind of hard for me to get, so I want to see if there are any other options that are similar to this. I have a little extra, so let's put it on my neck. I do tend to forget my neck sometimes. For night skincare at least. In the morning I make sure to. My nighttime skincare is pretty simple, so I just have one more step. I've been using this for maybe a couple years now. I like this. It has never given me any problems whatsoever. I focus especially under the eyes. I don't know, it's just like, I know that if I can take care of myself and I can be happy, then I think that's my type of self-care. I wake up with moisturized bangs. Okay. Ta-da! And that is all. Oh wait, I forgot about my lip balm. Cool bowl. I've had this for a while actually, but as you can see, I'm getting there. And if I have any extra, just put it on my cuticles. So cute! I just got a watercolor palette for my trip. This is so tiny. Look. And this is even tinier. Probably even smaller than a chocolate bar. Or maybe it's the same size. And these are the tiny little paints. And Bill got me. Oh, I don't know what I got. I tried the white Champaka oolong milk tea. I really do think it's too milky. But I love the tea notes in here. Mmm. Ta-da! Super pretty. The makeup products I'm gonna bring. Here are the other stuff I'm gonna bring. I didn't really feel like getting ready today. Of course, I make a lot of stains, so my mom got me this. Bring a few of these. My toothpaste, toothpick, and toothbrush. Blotting paper. I don't want to kick on more products onto my skin. I'm gonna put my snacks in here, just because I feel like it'll get less crushed. My watercolors, my hair gel, hair tie, some napkins. Man! Why did I get so full? This is what's in my bag. This is definitely why it's so... I just carry this around everywhere when I travel. It's so useful. I have my sketchbook. Here's my travel skincare. These are empty and I just put different skincare items in there. I had to move this one. It took up so much space. Ta-da! I find especially if you travel with laptops, clamshell cases are so nice. All I do is open it like this and then just pull it out for checking. I hope you liked that video. I'm very indecisive right now. I don't know if I should go with the jet lag or push through it. But like, I feel like I'm in an art gallery. There's so many beautiful artworks in here. Makes me happy. I will be doing lots of traveling, so I can't guarantee. I would like to say there's a video next week, but I can't guarantee it. I hope you have a good week, and I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye. Tell me why there's so many like perfect people. There's so many perfect people in there, but like, I've never seen it this crowded here. I don't know what's going on. I guess everyone thought it was a nice day today. Reminder to not go out on Saturdays. I could totally balance this if I wanted to. Not that it's really safe though. My friends say it's not real. You're just another part of me. I thought those were hand sanitizing, but it's okay.